Hello traders, welcome once again. So these are all the MetaTrader accounts which we are updating, and this account is C3, the exchange C3, and currently the profit is running in this account, and we are booking the profit in this account, and it is a very good profit. So this account we are trading with a very small lot size, and this is the complete history since the account started with the balance and one BTC. And the profit has been booked the 0.33 BTC. In this account we are trading with a very small risk as 0.5 BTC only, and we are updating with the ID you can reconfirm from our previous video, plus all the trades with the 0.5 BTC only. And currently the open trades profit is going 0.3334 BTC. So we are closing these trades, and this is account C3. So we have closed the trades, yes, and trade has been closed, and total profit now 0.37 BTC with so now we are going to update account number C4. So C3 account has been done. So this is the now no trades open in account C3. So this is the account C4, exchange C4, where we are trading with the 10,000 USD, and currently the profit is $130. In this account we are trading with 0.2 BTC only, and this and once the if trend goes above our direction we will again add position in 0.2. So we are actually finalizing the support and resistance and support area, and from that we are buying and selling in a grid position. So this is our strongest support and resistance. So the accuracy levels are very high in this type of trading. So we will see all the histories of this account since it is the ID can be reconfirmed again. This is ID can be reconfirmed, plus all the trades and all the profit and loss and commissions and dividend has taken. And yes, we will close the trades now, and we will book the profit, and it is done with the 632. The balance has increased, plus the history for the today's profit, plus all the commission and dividend has been taken. So the account has been done with the balance of 10,000 and 6% ROI. It is also the safe with a low risk and high reward strategy, where we are not taking the risk in this account. So now we will go to the exchange C5. As C3 and C4 we have already updated. So this is the exchange C5, where we are trading with the capital of 100k, and the profit is as per the capital, and this account is running in a bit of high risk, and currently the total number of trades placed 3 trades, and all are into the profit. And 1st March it has started, and till now the 8 days the account has 80% ROI almost. So we are closing these trades, where ETH we have bought at 1679 250 quantity, and currently it is going 1719 around. So we are almost booking the 40 points gain. So we will book this 40 points gain. We will close this with profit, and it is done, and the capital has increased to 188. And this is the all history, and yes, this is the current trades has been close, and we are holding it since long. Can check the order ID with the time and date and all the details, when it was open and when it is booked. So now we'll go to the exchange C6. Exchange C6 now. So this is the exchange C6 where we are trading high risk, where directly we are trading with a 2 BTC. The account has only the 1.0 BTC, and you can see currently the 12% ROI of the capital, as we are taking the high risk here, and the lot size is not 0.5 but directly we are trading with the 2.0. But we are considering the trades based on the opportunities. If the opportunity is good, then only. So very few amount of trade we are placing here. We can reconfirm this order ID and all the trades and commission and dividend. Very few trade has been placed, 1, 2, and these are the third trades. We will close these trades. Yes, trade has been closed, and the account balance has increased. So total 0.35 BTC profit. Yes, the trade has been closed and commission has been deducted from that, and account balance has increased 0.35 from the deposit of 1 BTC. So we have updated you the 4 exchange C3, C4, C5 and C6, which is the can be copied from MT5 or MT4 directly. You can give us your MT4, MT5 account, and whatever the trade we will place, it will be copied to your account directly. So either you can give us your MetaTrader account where we can connect with our accounts, or you can give the exchange account where you can share your API keys, and whatever the trade we will place, it will be placed in your exchange. Or either you can buy and sell whenever we give the signals, and you just follow it either into the free channel, or you can get a premium service where we will update you in advance. We will call you, we will guide you as per your capital, what the lot size you should select and what are the quantity you should select. So you can get a confidence on your manual trading, where you do not need to share any profit sharing. Once you connect the account, you need to share the 50 to 40% profit sharing as per an advance fee will be there. So if you want to trade manually, you can go with the signal service, and if you are experienced trader, you can follow the free channel and you can gain the profit from that. If you are a new trader, we advise to go to the premium service and trade from professional advice to get a consistent profit, God willing, into this crypto market. Hope it is a very enjoyable, and we will keep updating the news, live trading videos, and you can learn from that how to trade and how to place the orders and what are the risks involved with that.